వైద్య వృత్తిని దైవంగా భావించి మెడికో విద్యార్థులు సమాజం పట్ల బాధ్యతగా పనిచేయాలని జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ కోయ శ్రీహర్ష కోరారు. రామగుండం సింగరేణి మెడికల్ కళాశాలలో గురువారం 2024 బ్యాచ్ మెడికో విద్యార్థులకు వైట్ కోట్ సెరమనీ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ నిర్వహించారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ శ్రీహర్ష హాజరై మెడికల్ కళాశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ హిమబిందు సింగ్ తో కలిసి జ్యోతి ప్రజ్వలన చేసి కేక్ కట్ చేసి వైట్ కోట్ సెరమనీ ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా జిల్లా కలెక్టర్ ప్రిన్సిపాల్ మాట్లాడుతూ వైద్యులు దైవంతో సమానమని, మెడికో విద్యార్థులు మెడికల్ విద్యను పూర్తి చేసుకుని సమాజంలోని అనారోగ్య బాధితులకు సరైన చికిత్సను అందించాలని సూచించారు. వైట్ కోట్ సెరమనీ మెడికో విద్యార్థుల్లో సమాజం పట్ల బాధ్యతను పెంచుతుందని తెలిపారు.
So I hope your coat ceremony, white coat ceremony also drives you for all your next 30, 40, 50 years in your service. And firstly, before I start, congratulations everybody. Like for last 2.5 years, 3 years, you have been doing lot of hard work. This is actually culmination of your hard work. Like you have come from different backgrounds, lot of stress, lot of socio-economic conditions, your cultural issues. Everybody out of 150, everybody has a different story. They have come through a lot of different things. So I appreciate everybody's effort and also congratulate everybody's hard work. So this is a culmination of your hard work. So enjoy your success. And we at Singareni Institute of Medical Sciences, we are like 2.5, 3 years of young college, you say young medical college. But we are committed to give you best services. We are ambitious also. We are also committed. We are striving every day to deliver best services and also to make sure that we are the best in the state. Like principal, I said we also wanted to be best in the country. So we are in that direction. And then please make sure that we commit to you that there will be no stone unturned in this entire process to make this college the best one. So that much we guarantee. We are on this path to make you best. We want to be part of your success and we are committed to this service. And lastly, a couple of things for you from my side. Actually, I see you like 17, 18, 19, 20 years last age. So in next 4.5 years, this like the actual life starts for you. Like you will understand yourself better, you will understand your friends, you will understand your society. There will be a lot of frustrations, there will be a lot of peer pressure, you will see a lot of success, you will have a lot of friends, lot of things will change in your life in the next 4.5 years. But you will be frustrated, tired, bored, disappointed also at many times, and many times you will face success also. So at any point, please make sure that do not lose hope or like do not lose that enthusiasm which kept you trying for last 2.5 years. So keep that keep that fire going with you. If you are able to do that, if you are able to be modest, if you are able to be humble even in success, or if you are able to pick up yourself in the job when you are frustrated, I'm sure you will do a lot of wonders. And finally, we do not want to continue, stop our relation with this 4.5 years. I hope you remember us wherever you go. But after 4 years, 5 years, and wherever you are there, we wanted to be proud that these 150 students are from Singareni Institute of Medical Sciences and they are doing good. That we wanted to be a part. And once again, best wishes to you and your entire faculty. I hope they will do a lot of good work.
ప్రిన్సిపాల్ మాట్లాడుతూ రామగుండం మెడికల్ కళాశాలకు సింగరేణి సంస్థ సహకారం ఉండడంతో రాష్ట్రంలోని రామగుండం మెడికల్ కళాశాల నెంబర్ 1 గా నిలుస్తూ త్వరితగతిన నిర్మాణాలను కూడా పూర్తి చేసుకుని అన్ని సదుపాయాలను కూడా సమకూర్చుకుంటూ 3వ సంవత్సరం బ్యాచ్ కూడా సిద్ధమైందని వెల్లడించారు. మెడికో విద్యార్థులంతా తోటి మెడికో విద్యార్థులతో సఖ్యతగా ఉంటూ వైద్య కోర్సును పూర్తి చేసుకోవాలని కోరారు.
I think it's a very proud moment for us. And 2022, we had got the letter of permission to start the medical college. I am very privileged to be the founder principal, and along with all the staff and the professors here, we have worked very hard to start the medical college here right from the scratch. When we came here, some of us came from distant places. There was nothing here, no plain ground. From there we started, and we have very good support from the district administration and also the DME. I would like to also thank our Honorable Ratna Minister Garu and many others who have contributed to the development of the institute. The best thing is, because we have support from Singareni Institute, Singareni colleagues, We didn't have any fund problem, and all our buildings are complete within a record time of just 2.5 years. I really thank the Managing Director of Singareni Collieries and for which the support. I mean, we have air-conditioned lecture halls, sir. This is the only lecture halls. We don't have these type of lecture halls even in Usmania Gandhi, the so-called leading institutes. So we are trying to give the best services here in terms of infrastructure. We have everything under one roof. We have all the hostels. We have staff quarters. We know where residents stay. Their staff quarters are there for the professors and assistant and associate professors. Only Ramagundam. And I think that's a very big.
ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో ప్రభుత్వ ఆసుపత్రి సూపరింటెండెంట్ దయాల్ సింగ్, వైస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ నరేందర్, ప్రొఫెసర్స్, ఫ్యాకల్టీ, మెడికో విద్యార్థులు తదితరులు పాల్గొన్నారు.